hope you had fun with the marshmallow slime. Our next one we're going to do is another edible slime, and I only need 2 ingredients for it. One is sodium alginate, which I've already pre-coloured here. Scientists actually get sodium alginate from a seaweed. Have you ever walked on seaweed on the beach and it feels a bit gelatinous or a bit spongy, a bit slimy? Well, scientists have found how to get the sodium alginate out of it, which makes this edible slime, but they get it from a type of seaweed called giant kelp. And giant kelp lives off the west coast of North America. It also grows around New Zealand and the east coast of Australia. And giant kelp grows from the seabed to the bottom of the ocean right up to the top of the water there. You can actually see it from the top, and a lot of sea creatures actually swim through it. It grows very, very fast. It looks like a forest underwater, like big green grass. And scientists have figured out how to harvest that to get the sodium alginate out, which I have some here. It comes in a powdered form. I've added warm water to it and mixed it up, so we have it's almost like a thick red cordial at the moment. I added colouring to it, otherwise it's just like a clear liquid. It has no smell, no taste, no colour. So I've added just some red so you can see it a bit more clearly. Now the only other ingredient I need, which is we need for most slimes, is an activator. And the activator we use for sodium alginate is calcium carbonate. And I've already poured some in here again. It's a clear liquid, it's like a chalky liquid. I've added red food colouring so you can see it. Now I've got my sodium alginate slime, totally edible. I'm going to squeeze some into my calcium carbonate activator. Now immediately a reaction is happening and the structure of the sodium alginate is changing. And you can't see that very well. So what I've done is, it takes probably a couple of minutes to form really well. So I made some a little bit earlier for you, which is ready now to take out. And I'm going to lift it out and just show you our edible slime. Some people call it worm slime, and some people call it spaghetti slime, for obvious reasons. You can see that. And again, that is totally edible. And scientists use that for coating vegetables that they put in the freezer because it helps them last longer. Again, it has no taste or smell. So you've eaten it, you just don't know you've eaten it, and because it has no taste. But it does keep your vegetables to last longer in the freezer. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed worm slime and spaghetti slime, and it's a lot of fun. We're going to do another slide in a minute. I'll just get some